let's get to the skies now. Well, actually, they're going to be grounded, and we're talking about WOW Airlines. So there was a bit of lead up to this announcement, Mike, so not a major surprise, but still some people might be caught off guard.
Well, there was a lead up, yes, Melanie, except that a couple of days ago, WOW Airlines said that it was in talks with its creditors on a possible bailout, and they were talking all optimistic about getting a deal done. But it did not happen, and WOW has ceased all operations and basically telling passengers to, well, look for alternatives. So this could have lots of people stranded on both sides of the Atlantic. WOW had a scheduled flight from Reykjavik to Pearson later today. That is not going to happen. So how those folks are going to get home is still up in the air, so to speak. WOW also failed to reach a deal with Iceland Air, its rival, last year, because Iceland Air said this company doesn't look all that well financially. Originally set up in 2012, grew quickly as Iceland looked to grow its tourism business, but WOW Airlines joining the list of companies failing in that ultra-low discount market space. Lululemon Athletica, meantime, having a terrific morning on the markets, and investors are applauding, doing whatever yoga move which would be celebratory regarding the company's earnings. They had a very strong earnings performance for the Christmas sales season. Same-store sales were up. Retail spending on the internet site for Lululemon, very strong. They're doing a $500 million stock buyback, and the share price up 10% in pre-market trading this morning. It's liftoff for Lyft, the ride-hailing company, set to debut its stock on Wall Street today on the NASDAQ, and it was so, widely anticipated, and lots of buyers from the pre-market trade for Lyft that they actually raised the start price to $72 a share and quickly raised $2.2 billion in working capital for expansion. Its much larger rival Uber is still expected to list its stock on the New York Stock Exchange later this spring. And Roger, Bombardier setting a record with its newest business jet, the Global 7500, flying from New York City to Los Angeles in less than 4 hours. That's shaved something like 90 minutes off the previous record for a business jet. They also did 8,100 nautical miles, which is the longest ever. List price on the Global 7500 for Bombardier, $73 million. I'll take two.
You'll take two? I'll take some streetcars from Bombardier right now, actually.
And it has to be tricky. Yeah, well, if they could deliver their streetcars as quickly, that would be good.
That would be a good thing. But good on them for being that fast.
There you go.
All right. Thank